inside the world's best sounding Dakar. This is basically a 992.1 on stilts. It has the 3-liter turbocharged flat 6, about 450 horsepower, I believe. The exhaust configuration is the same as any 992. So that's your 992 Carrera, Carrera S, 4S, GTS, Turbo, and Turbo S. Valves are closed right now, and we have the full setup installed right now. The flexibility is really nice. When the valves are closed, you'd never know the car is modified. No unwanted frequencies out back. You do get a little bit of a rumble with the race sections installed, but nothing outrageous. Then you really get a lot of bass and excitement. When those exhaust valves are open, the exhaust travels unrestricted through the X-pipe, really cranking up the experience. In the video, startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, launch control. We're on the airstrip. We really should find some dirt roads, but I don't think we're gonna be so fortunate to get to enjoy this on those roads today, but we're definitely gonna showcase all the sound so you know if you've got a Dakar or any other 992, this is the exhaust setup to enjoy. Let's take a listen. everybody, is the Valvetronic Dakar experience. Now, whether you have this 992, I'm very fortunate to own this 992, if you have a GT3 or a 992 Turbo or Carrera, we've got all the exhaust setups you could ever want for these platforms. The 992 has definitely come on to the scene in 2020, quite a lack of sound. Now we have the 992s.2s coming out with a different configuration. Stay tuned for our developments on that, but these 992.1s definitely miss that sound characteristic. You just lose a lot of the interior excitement. There's a lot of intake noise, but you definitely lose the exhaust. So this car being bone stock and having the full exhaust setup, you pick up a lot of enjoyable frequencies, but don't have any compromise as per the Valvetronic theme. So whether you have this 992, you have a Turbo, a Dakar, just a base Carrera with PSE, or whatever the configuration might be, Valvetronic is here to deliver the best experience, and we're going to continue to making sure all these 992s, whether they're atmospheric or turbocharged, sound incredible. See you guys in the next one.